Hello. Hello, all. I'm going to start this off trying to figure out a thing for our game. And these are some assets I just acquired for Unity. And trying to figure out, I haven't played around in Unity in a long time, so um I'm trying to um turn on a service, which, oh, it might be right here. I may already have it activated. Boom, boom. Not seeing it, so oh, uh, gotta install that, and then I have to add another thing to this. Maybe I should do this offline, but you can see all the struggles. That's being imported. So I'm going to be utilizing some of these assets, images or small videos from here. And yeah. And then I also wanted to get this GUI kit because we're going to be making the GUI for the homepage. So I wanted some ideas, and I was hoping it could help me with that, but we'll see. I might not know what I'm doing with this, and then we'll probably scrap it and then just go with the flow. So we'll see.
Raid alert, I repeat raid alert.
Awesome.
Curious Orbit is attacking with 2 twitches.
Thank you, Curious Orbit. Orbit. That's kind of sounded like orbit. Uh, appreciate it. Oh, hey, Kevin Evans. I didn't even know you're streaming. Welcome. Welcome. Thank you for stopping in, coming in to see what I'm doing. Um, Kevin Evans, thank you for the cheer. Appreciate it. Um, what the heck? Sure, I'll import a bunch of crap that I don't need. I probably, like I said, well, you guys might have not heard me, but I probably shouldn't be doing this because I really don't know what I'm doing. Um, why are these not visible? These are visible, but aha. Okay, no, that won't help us. How what does this look like? Oh, that's just a loading. No, we don't need that. How about lobby? I'm just trying to get some ideas from uh these here. That's not a bad idea. I like that. And then just have like 4 icons. Um I could utilize I forgot his name. Another So this game, no, it is not a new game. I've been working on this since whatever December or something like that. um, but we are going into APL, so I was trying to get some ideas on what I should do. That's all I'm doing right now because this is a bunch of stuff that I purchased. So did I just close that? Yeah, I did. No, no. So essentially, like the idea is all these uh sharp corners of boxes is what I'm seeing. Um and I might be able to actually get this grid um both of these things, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. So the idea is we're going to try to uh make a menu something like this. Um, and then we'll worry about the icons a little bit later. So let's jump into it. Uh, ah, nice. I beat you to it, Archran. But have a good night. So I was um, bringing my Cards of Wonder to uh, bringing all the strings into one file, and then utilizing that file so I can have different languages for Cards of Wonder. Oops. Right here, multimodal responses. We're going to create a new visual. Oh, we already have one. We have a launch just blank. I'm pretty sure. Yep, it's blank. All right. So within this, we're going to put a container. In this container, we will have. I'm going to put another container, and then in this container, I'm going to put a frame. And so I'm going to set this to the 100% width and height, or 100 VH. So 100 view width and 100 view, or sorry, 100 view height and 100 view width. I can't talk. And then this is going to be %50 width and 80% height. Oh, 810%. That looks okay, I guess. This should be 40. Yeah, that looks better. And then we are going to align self to center. Position. That's not what I wanted. Justify content center. Align items center. No, we don't need that. It looks like I need some. Bring the tap down. We'll just say 10%. Wow, that was like perfect. And yeah, I think that's spot on. Then the frame, we are going to 100%, 100%. Let's make it a really weird color. Sure, I don't know what color that is. Works for me. We don't need border radius. We need border choppy. I don't know if we could do it. I think we're gonna have to just import a image. but I mean, we'll try it. Top left, we'll say 2050. Top right, 20. No, 150. Yeah, it's gonna just round it, which that's what border radius is. I don't think we can do it another way. Let's still mess around with it. We'll do 100. Wow, 100, 75, and 25. I just wanted to make it look a little um crazy. I don't know what to say. All right. And then we want a border width of sure 5, and border color is going to be this. All right. It's not too exciting, but we'll try to make it more exciting, right? Hmm, I think that's about it for now. I do not like the way they redo the JSON for this thing. It just bothers me. So this right here is the frame. Yeah. See, this is the frame and this is the container. Just makes my brain hurt, you know? The container should be on top. Next should be the next container. Next should be the frame. Not this frame in the middle with the containers below it. It makes no sense. I have no idea what their process on this JSON formatting. Um, I should definitely ask them to switch it around, switch it back because it's annoying. Um, because yeah. So we're gonna put items in here, and before we do that, we're gonna make probably a custom button, or do we want to make just a Alexa button? Excuse me. Anybody have any preferences? Get this multi-stream thing. If anyone is watching and anything else, please leave me a comment so I know. Um, but I'm not seeing anything here. But please leave me a comment in the video or something to let me know that you're watching on another streaming service other than Twitch, like YouTube or Facebook. Oh, all right. Go here. Let's look at some documentation. Components. That's what we want, right? What's backstage extension? Are we diving into a bunch of stuff that we don't need to? Implicit sequential back navigation to previous documents. Oh, so just say back? Is that what it says? Is that what it is? Hmm. That's good to know. User, such as position of the user. Oh, okay. Hmm. Yeah. I don't think we need that. So, um, but where are my um responsive? System ABL. How am I supposed to find this? I have no idea. But here's a bunch of responsive items that you can utilize. I'm going to be using Z button. This is just going to be for an um, example. We need at least layouts 1.4. So back to the here, import that, oops, that, and then I probably won't need all this stuff, but okay, I'm going to go into layouts then. button. Yeah, I don't need a button row. I don't know. Yeah, no, I don't need button row. I just want the button. So, button text data. I'm going to change these. I'm going to just say ID, name, and then we're going to hard code that. We want this set to true. And we do not need this because we're just making it a button. We don't need this. And then this is going to be name of the button. Oops, keep on hitting Control C. And then the button style, we can go over here. I'm not really a fan of all these styles, but it is what it is. This is a new thing. I didn't know it's actually been here since 1.2, but you can set touch forward to the button, which means it is it's meant to be touched and not just said, which I really don't understand the point of a button that is said. Why is it a button? Right? I believe it's Ingress that I like the most, but we will try it out. We'll try, see what it is. Oops. And then in here, it will be something like this, and then type button. Oops, that's supposed to be in quotes. Look at that. There's already a button. And then ID equal, not equals. Trying to think of areas I want to go to. Med Bay. And then name Med Bay. Like that. Look at that. And then we just copy this. I think I have about 4. We have nav room and I forget room. Let's go back to here, our code to see what rooms we need. Holodeck. 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 I call it sick bay. Sick bay. Nav room. And then what is it called? The room where is going on here? um like the nav room. Cargo bay. Cargo. Oops. Bay. Cargo bay. You know what? I just realized I put all these in on the frame, and I should have put them all in a container. So I will do just that here in a second. Sick bay, nav room, and holodeck. Holodeck. I think I had it all one word like that. Holodeck. Do that. Although, we do need an item, and then it will be a object like so, I believe, and then type container. Need that, but we also need created like so. Hey, it's looking, it's getting there. We're getting there. Um, and um, width will be 80%. Height will be fine. We'll say 80% also. And something I'm missing here. Oh, I need center self. Center self. Did I miss it? Oh, excuse me. I didn't center self. Oh, I already have it. But that didn't center itself. Oh no, I have a line item center. Why can't I align self? Once again, it did not center. Oh, I guess it's centered in that other container. That there. Then it is percent, 100%, and then center. That's not making a difference. Um, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. I don't know why this is not working. That worked. I just brought it down to the height of 50 and voila. So that's kind of how we have things set up right now. It's not even close to being what I want. What I want is I have no idea. Oh yeah, we want these buttons to be more of a um, uh, big push buttons that are uh, excuse me, that are um, icons, right? So this icon button right here. Well, we'll just import what we got. So we're gonna just label it icon button and oh, what am I doing wrong here? Oh, that, there we go. And then down here we could do something like icon button. Look at that. There's a little home. But it's not requiring any of this. Um, I don't know why there isn't a ID for this yet, but we're gonna put one in there. And we want this at 150. Yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah, because it's getting cut off by the thing. Let's try 120. I think that'd be all right. And then hmm, I was thinking to moving uh, some images, but no, uh, won't be worth it for now. Um, but let's get all these images, at least what they are going to approximately look like, in place. So they are, um, yeah. So how we want it is two rows, and to do that, we would make two containers. We're actually we'll utilize this one as one container. Um, Space between row center, and then I don't know why it's there now, but whatever. Um, we will look at this. So we want 100% width, but only 50% height. And this should be a column. what's going on there. But we'll mess around with it here in a second. Um, and then we need another one of these containers. What just happened? Container. I don't know what's happening. Oh, we're getting there. We're getting there. Looks like we need to get this stuff centered. So there we go. Why isn't it? Oh, is this one? That's centered. Ah, that stinking wrap. Okay. This is looking pretty good. Pretty good. What we thinking? What we thinking? Is this looking all right? To me, I think I want to have text below the button, but I don't know if I can do that. Type text. Okay. Let's try it. We need um I could have sworn there was actually a size to it. Why am I not seeing that? Font size right here. We're gonna go 30 dp. Hmm. It's not liking it. Why? Why? Maybe because I don't have a container. I really don't know. Missing something here. Oh. Oh. Um, well, I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know why it's not liking this. But we'll figure it out. It's past 9. I need to quit. Appreciate everyone watching this or watching in the future. If you are looking for something to do tomorrow around 8 o'clock Central Time, I'll be on Voice Spark Live. You can find us at Voice Spark Live um, YouTube channel. So join us there. And yeah, hope to excuse me. Hope to see you all on next Sunday's stream or next Tuesday.